sunset is at 5:48 p.m. Flood advisory in effect until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of upstate South Carolina, including the following county: York. When? Until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 4:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the stream gauge at Wildcat Creek near Robertson Road reported a river stage of 10.23 feet. At this stage, McConnell's Highway near Wildcat Creek will be flooded, and water may be approaching or inundating roadways near Saluda Road and Highway 324. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Flood advisory now in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues? Where? A portion of Piedmont, North Carolina, including the following counties: Cabarrus and Rowan. When? Until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Flood advisory now in effect until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Where? A portion of Piedmont, North Carolina, including southern Cabarrus County. When? Until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: water over roadways. River or stream flows are elevated. At 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the stream gauge above Irish Buffalo Creek on the Rocky River reported a stream level of 14.75 feet. At this stage, flooding along Back Creek south of Harrisburg may occur near the intersection of Robinson Church Road and Stallings Road, which is near Middleton and Rocky Meadows subdivisions. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Flood advisory now in effect until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues? Where? A portion of Piedmont, North Carolina, including Cabarrus and Mecklenburg counties. When? Until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 6:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. This will cause urban and small stream flooding. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Huntersville, Kannapolis, Northeast Charlotte, West Concord, Cornelius, Davidson, Harrisburg, Cottle Creek Reservoir, Charlotte Motor Speedway, University City, Lake Norman and Croft. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is a river flood product for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson and Stanley. Flood warning in effect until late this evening. Where? Rocky River near Norwood. At 16.0 feet, the river begins to overflow its banks in some areas upstream of the gauge site. At 20.0 feet, there is significant overflow into adjacent pasture and lowlands. At 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 18.5 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 21.9 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning. These are the 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Charlotte